Hi, let's see how I clean my makeup brushes at home following these 4 simple steps. So here I need to clean my brushes weekly. As you can see, they all are dirty. So here I'm taking lukewarm water in a clear glass and then I mix a shampoo and a white vinegar in it and give it a mix, and then I dip all of my makeup brushes into this water for 5 minutes, and then after 5 minutes I take all of my brushes and give it a little mix, and then I take a plastic comb and comb my all of my brushes in the downward direction in order to get out of all of the dirt. Then I take all of the brushes and squeeze all of the water in it, and then as you can see जो मेरा foundation brush है उसमें I left over some of my foundation. I will clean it in the end of this video, and then I take another more lukewarm water in this clear glass, and then I dip all of my makeup brushes again second time in this. I mix all of the brushes like in order to come out all of the dirt, and then as you can see this brush is pretty nice clean. And then fourth step is let them air dry naturally. See, my brushes are nice, neat and clean again. And here my foundation brush. To clean this area of my foundation brush, what I do is I use a earbud and I take some shampoo on it, and then I rub this earbud in the downward direction in order to come out of all of the dirt. सारा का सारा जो foundation है वो सारा इस cotton ball पे अच्छे से आ गया है. As you can see the difference between the the used one side and the another side is pretty clean. Now I am just completely satisfied. My brush is neatly, nicely clean, and as you can see the difference between the dirty and the nice one. And now I am completely satisfied with this process. Now I let them air dry all of my brushes in the natural light, and as you can see they are dry in like next half an hour, and then I place all of them in a nice container. Thank you so much for cleaning my brushes, my makeup brushes, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.